Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast, and today we're going to go behind the scenes again, but this time we're going behind the scenes with a local artist. And you've probably seen all these big pieces of street art all over in Blackpool, like thus. And there used to be a really big lovely one on the side of Abingdon Street, not Abingdon Street, the car park at the back of the Winter Gardens, Adelaide Street, which is where I always go. And these great big street art pieces were all done as part of Sam Lowry Urban Art Festival. Starting to look a little bit weather worn, but this is the old rock factory, and this is where Robin Ross lives, who is the guy that was at the back of the Sam Lowry Festival. Now this is a proper artist studio. It's quite amazing actually. Switch off the lights. There we go. Is this you?
Morning.
Not you. You. Good morning.
Morning.
This is the man himself.
Morning, Jen, how are you?
Now this gentleman can talk nearly as much as I can.
Gentlemen, what are you after?
Gentleman. Talk nearly as much as I can.
How are you?
And this is the home of Robin Ross, the screen printer, and this young man who I've just mistakenly asked if he was the door knocker. You're Sam?
Samuel.
Sam Lowry? Now my school friend would be so impressed that I'm actually yes, absolutely, that I'm stood here talking to you because she loved the Clash.
You have to get her down. Is it a she?
She's a she. She's another Jane.
Yeah.
She's another Jane. She's not a mouth almighty like I am, but she's, we were as different as you could possibly wish to be.
Why was she intelligent?
Cheeky. No, she was actually a punk. So we were very mismatched.
Yeah, but the Clash were all punk. They were across genres. They
They were.
mixed genre. They mixed reggae.
They were.
They mixed rock.
Yeah.
There was a lot more to the Clash.
Yeah.
And when you see some of these drawings,
Yeah.
Ray Lowry's drawings, they're just incredible.
Right, we shall come and have a look. This is
Ink.
ink. This is fiddly faddly artist stuff land for all my artistic friends who just love anything that's paper and
former
ink
life.
and pens.
These are my friends.
Yes,
My friends in my former
Robin.
life.
Robin was a DJ on Radio Caroline, were you not?
I was.
There you go. You see, I've not got that bad a memory. I've not gone quite as blonde as you think. Joe Cocker from the same neck of the woods as me, I believe.
Oh, Yorkshire.
Aye, that's it. Sharps, screwdrivers. You can only wonder what he does with that lot, can't you? Probably takes people to bits. Fascinating. If you use it, wash it. You never know, if I'm lucky, it might even make me a brew. So this is a genuine, real life artist studio. Right, let's have a look. What you're going to show me then? You've gone up in the world, I've promoted you. Right, so go on then, Sam, you show me what you've been doing.
I've been packing.
You've been packing?
Yeah, I am not the artist here.
Oh,
Robin
right,
is
right.
the
So,
artist.
It was your idea.
Well, it was my idea.
It was Sam's idea.
right,
My idea.
okay.
I've known Robin for...
Too long.
No! On and off for, what?
6, 7 years?
7 years?
Right.
We did some images of my dad's artwork.
Yes, in the illuminations,
Yeah,
didn't you?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
did. We did.
Yeah.
And we've had staggered or sporadic contact. And then when I had this idea, I wanted Robin to do it.
Right. So have you actually drawn these, or are these Ray's
No.
drawings?
What this whole project is about is making people aware of the skills of Ray Lowry.
Right.
And there's a man who could look at you and within probably 10 minutes do an amazing drawing, couldn't he?
Yeah, and capture your character.
He had this skill that very, very few people have got. That's why he was so successful at clashing. I mean, the movement in these and all the sketches are amazing, aren't they? They're not just sketches, they've got movement in them. They're brilliant works of art. And then he also had all his cartoon work as well, and that was the same. It's just stunning artwork. It doesn't get any better.
So is that the original then?
This is an original sketch of what became the
Right.
cover, and I wanted to give basically the fans something affordable.
Oh,
because
right,
this
yeah.
original is not affordable
No.
to
No,
the everyday person.
yeah.
And the feedback that we've got from it is amazing.
Fabulous.
Absolutely amazing. And they love it. So
Fabulous.
I'm going to do a run of 12 limited edition images from the actual sketchbooks.
So what are you doing in a silkscreen capacity then?
I've done this one, and what's very clever, what Sam has done, he's not doing them all silkscreen, he's not doing them all, so they're different types of prints and different types of imagery.
Media, right.
They're all taken from the original sketches which he's got and the original drawings, but they're being done in different ways. So from a collector point of view, if you get all 12, you're going to get completely...
Oh, I see.
I'm back in the scheme again on number 4. Number 4 I'm back in again. This is number 1, and I'm back in.
We'll work on more, definitely.
Right, so you're doing other
This-
prints with other artists?
Not other artists, I'm
Other
doing it
reproducers?
myself.
Right, yeah.
There's one which is going to be the next one, number 2, which I've been working on, which is a double. Heard it here first, actually.
Heard it here first,
A
yeah.
double
Yeah.
page spread of an image out of the sketchbook.
Right.
And they look absolutely fabulous.
So are you working with different people to do the reproduction?
Yeah.
Right, yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is what makes it so much fun to be involved in. And for me, to print something like this, it's iconic. They don't get any better than these, you know. And to work, and when you see the sketchbooks, you went, the numbers of drawings he did on the road. He was, because Strummer described him, Ray, as the Clash war artist. And he went, he did an American tour with them. And Strummer just saw in the work what the Clash were about. And when you see the sketches and the way it's been, the way he's done it, it does relate to the band, doesn't it? It's really very much the band, isn't it?
It captures it magnificently.
So- And
Have you ever heard of an artist who have done that before or after 1979 with the Clash? Take his sketchbooks on tour and then create images.
It's never been done.
well, yeah, I'm looking on Atherton both and thinking on the spot, but obviously it's not being done.
But some very knowledgeable person did tell me that somebody called Humphrey Ocean, who was an artist, I think he played with the...
He was a musician. He was in a band.
Yeah, but he did something similar, but not quite. Yeah. So these are unique.
So if somebody wants to get one of these prints, one of these reproductions, where do they get them from?
Go to raylowry.com
And buy online.
buy online. Yeah.
And
Fabulous.
What is interesting is somebody tried to buy 30 of them.
35 you wanted to buy.
Oh, there's only 79, you see.
Yeah.
Each print, there's only going to be 79. Because that's the year the album came out. And these are, it's a bone of contention, this. I think the Clash recorded 139 songs. Sam's counting them and he reckons it's 140.
Well, I've counted them, I'd say, with my obsessive nature, I've counted them about 100 times.
I think I believe you.
And I got
Yeah.
to 140.
He still gets 140.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
140. And that's officially released tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how much they are
That-
each.
that's
But
why
you don't
that's
just
nice.
get the print.
Yeah.
In the tube, which I was just
Right,
you
okay.
get one of these mini prints. Right, there's 4 different ones.
Oh, I see. Right.
So
yeah.
you get one of those,
Yeah.
you get a badge, and you get a certificate of authentication.
Very good.
And these are silver badges of the same image of the Clash.
Excellent. I'll have to be showing my school friend Jane that.
So you end up getting a lovely, and it's all wrapped in black tissue paper, sent out in a tube. The tracking them,
Yeah,
tracking them.
tracked.
So fantastic.
And the feedback so far, nearly half of them have gone. So
Wow.
the feedback, every person
It's great.
said they loved it. They loved it.
Excellent.
But
Thank
from my point of view, to work as a printmaker, to work on this, I mean, as you know, I did tons of my own stuff,
Yeah.
and mess about and play around in here. To do something like this is really iconic.
Yeah.
And to work with Samuel is even better.
Is
The
even
guy's
better.
son is brilliant.
Fabulous. So these are your screen printing plates that you've
Yeah.
actually used
Yeah.
to
printed.
reproduce
So you've
the
got-
original artwork.
Yeah, you've got cyan, yellow, magenta, and black.
Fabulous.
And any image that you look at splits into those 4 colours.
It does indeed.
But
I
I
know
have
that.
to have a guy. I can do some of them, smaller ones
Yeah.
myself. But this project was done by a company called Media Lith on Merseyside.
Yeah.
What they do is a film separator,
Yeah.
and you send him an image and 4 come back.
Yes. Yes, I'm
Guys are
familiar with
genius.
all that kind of thing.
Guys are genius.
And this is obviously mucky wash up corner.
This is the washout area.
Yeah, you can't do that job with these without that.
Without that.
No, that's vital equipment, that. Well, I've got to say that's fascinating. So, I hope you enjoyed that little look round behind the scenes. I told you I could talk for Britain, didn't I? Nice bloke, I've known him donkey's years. And this is back out into daylight. So there you have it. That's your little look behind the scenes at the Rock Factory studio. Now we're going to go off and total to do our other jobs. So don't forget to subscribe to Visit Fylde Coast on YouTube. Make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and don't forget to give this video a like as well. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.